John Iberg, aka Winnie Twyberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels retired world bike tour. Today is Saturday, the 11th of October 2025, and I have chosen to ignore Google Maps because of wrecks that I've heard that have really shut down the interstates that I've been traveling on, especially 608, 101's not an interstate, but the roads that I'm planning. So I decided to take a road I'm familiar with, which is Dunbarton Bridge Road. It might be a little bit slower because there are some traffic lights I have to go through. But I know where I am, and I know about how long it's going to take me. Besides, I absolutely love Dunbarton Bridge. Not necessarily as a motor vehicle, but as a cyclist. Close that up a little bit. On the east side of Dunbarton, and you can see that span, the Dunbarton span almost. Cut over and check my traffic, cut over, see if you can see the spans a little bit. Oh, I can't go out here. I would like to, but I'm not going to. Authorized vehicles only, okay. I'm not authorized to go off on that. There we get to see a little bit of the Dunbarton span. What makes Dunbarton so fantastic as a cyclist is a completely segregated lane. I'm trying to get this so it's not curve around on me. I've got a cell phone on me, which is the only way I can. It's hands free. It's a little bit loose. Okay. Going over San Francisco Bay. South of San Francisco Bay. Yeah, I believe I can be able to get a turnout here. I'm going to kind of take my bike route. Very little traffic here on this road compared to the roads I was just on the interstates. A lot of heavy congestion. Of course, there have been some wrecks that started to shut those interstates down. This is the last leg of my trip coming from some bit of a family reunion in Lake Springs, Missouri, USA. I haven't been that creative on my route back. Well, I have been a little bit creative, but I have found a great deal. Very fortunate I've been on this trip. I spent last night in Fountain, Nevada, after discovering that two of the tires, the front tires, were out of alignment and were in serious need of replacement. I'm very fortunate that David and Stewart at Les Schwab Wheel and Tire, Fannin, had not the exact match for the coupes. I bought comparable road tire, just road tire, not the all-terrain tires. Okay, that's over the bridge, and things are going very well, and I'm glad it's all taken care of. Soy John Iberg, aka Winnie Twyberg, aka Biker John, my World Upon Wheels, retired world bike tour. Que tengan buen día. Adios.